see. Today it's Monday, the 13th of March. And now, all of this week's homework on one-step equations. Okay, so if you understand what we're doing in class, this is not hard. Now, I'm giving you 8 questions because according to Delta Math, 8 questions is only going to take you 5 minutes. So, and a little practice really not going to hurt anybody, especially when you're going to do this till like the day you graduate from high school. So, anyway, so let's take a look at some of these questions. Now, I'm going to go through, I can't write on this. That's not good. So I'm gonna go through these questions. All right. And the pen is not useful right now. So I'm gonna do this. Now, here, I'm gonna show you 4 different types of questions for adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. I'll do that for the first 2 videos of this week. And then the later ones, I'll just do 2 questions. Okay. So, all right. Okay. So here we got x plus 5 equals 20, right? So we're gonna do the opposite. Again, remember the goal is to get the letter by itself at the end. That's how you know when the game is over. So what's next to 5 right now? What's next to the x? Well, it's 5, right? It's being bothered by the 5. And we don't want plus, right? So we're going to do the opposite to get rid of that 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 on the left side of the equal sign. And I'm going to subtract 5 on the right side of the equal sign, like so. Make sure they're nice and lined up. 5 minus 5 is 0, so they cancel out. All right, listen to the language I'm using here. 20 minus 5 is 15. All right, now I know what you're thinking, and I know what some of you are going to do. I already know it. You're going to look at the number and you're going to guess, okay? Works for now, not going to work in probably even a year, in less than a year. So I would not go with that strategy if I were you. All right, solve it like this, get the practice, get the habit. Okay. All right, so let's see. Let's do one more. Now, what are the problem types? Oh, actually, no, this is all just the operations, actually. This is nothing. This is nothing different, actually. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, okay, you know what? Trying to think what's the best thing to do. Yeah, you know what? I should have picked this, actually. So, still can't write on the board. Okay, all right, so for this one, now, this one, I would like you to rewrite it O Manning style. Remember what O Manning style is? Right? You put the X in the front, like that, all the way in the front. Okay? Like, so to make it look as conventional as possible. So X plus 8, right? It's the same thing as 8 plus X anyway. So I'm going to rewrite the equation like so. All right, again, I want to isolate the X. So I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides of the equal sign. Like that. 8 minus 8 is 0, so that cancels. I'm left with x. 16 minus 8 is 8. And I put that in. And that's it. Okay. All right. So let's do like maybe one more. Okay, I'm going to pick a different question. Let's do like a division one. I have a feeling that many of you would want me to go over that. All right, something like that. All right, again, O Manning style first. I want the x on the left side. So I'm just gonna rewrite this. X over 3 equals 6. Now here, what's the operation here that's shown to you? Yeah, division, right? So what's the opposite? Multiply. So I'm gonna multiply both sides by what though? Yep, by the very number I want to get rid of. So I want x to be alone, but it's being divided by 3 right now, right? And x doesn't like it, so you do the opposite with the very number you're trying to get rid of. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. Now, remember, this is why we did cross canceling, right? These cancels out. So that's x. So x equals to 6 times 3. That's 18. Now, you can also check your answers, right? So 18 divided, so if I put 18 here, 18 divided by 3, is that 6? Yep, you bet. So the answer is correct. All right, the solution is correct, actually, not answer. And that's it. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll do the other 2 operations tomorrow. Okay. How about that? All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye.
OMG, that was so good.